Good morning, Facebook and YouTube. It's Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning, and we are doing residential carpet cleaning in Milwaukie, Oregon today. Hey, I wanted to kind of give a shout out to Bristol Clean out in Bristolville, Ohio. We've been working on trying to rank up the Middlefield area of Ohio for his carpet cleaning business. So far, he's pretty much at the top of the second page of Google. I was kind of surprised that that just kind of occurred over the course of about an hour. But anyways, going back to what we're doing today, we're going to be doing 4-phase cleaning. Phase 1 is going to be a thorough vacuum of all the carpeting in the home. Moving on to phase 2, we got our 3M multi-sprayer and these jugs of cleaning solution that are going to be applied down to the carpeting. Phase 3 is going to be the agitation of that cleaning solution in the carpeting using a CRB. Cylindrical brush machine is the proper name of that piece of equipment. And then phase 4, we're going to be running our lines and hoses from our truck, fire that bad boy up, get the water up to about 235 degrees or so, and we'll probably be pulling about 450 psi. We want to give the carpets a good rinse, but we also are doing a lot of agitation, so no need to go super high on the pressure of the water, and then everything is going to look absolutely beautiful. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and stand back and get going with the pre-vacuum throughout all the carpeting of the home, and I'll be sure to point out any areas of interest that I come across along the way. But I believe in this home we're looking at about 11 different areas that we're going to be cleaning today, so this should be we should get a pretty good workout today. At Howells Carpet Cleaning, why do we insist on pre-vacuuming carpets that have already been vacuumed? And this is the reason why right here. We got a Kirby bag that's more than 100% stuffed, just going back over carpets that have already been vacuumed. Alright, we finished with phases 1, 2, and 3. We fired up our truck. We've got our hoses running into the house. And we are going to begin back here, back room. Water's up to about 220. Gonna let it heat up another 5 minutes or so, 35 minutes, and then go ahead and get started with the steam out.